In last video we completed the lesson number 4, structure of ocean floor. Now let us start lesson number 5, ocean. The name of our lesson number 5 is ocean currents. In this lesson, figure 5.1. You see student, figure 5.1. Here's a experiment. When does any material flow? What happens exactly when it flows? Which anomalies in the material is responsible for initiate of the flow? Here student, try this experiment. Material required. Which material are required in this experiment? A large metal tray, water, plastic sequence, spirit lamp, etc. Here you see the picture 5.1. Here first step is keep a large metal tray on a stand. Here a stand on a large tray. Fill it with water. A tray filled with the water. After the water becomes still, leave the sequence in them. After the water becomes still, leave the sequence in them. After some time, the sequence will start floating in the water and become still too. Here student, first step is keep the large metal tray on stand, fill it water. After water becomes still, leave it sequence in them. After some time, sequence will start floating in the water and become still too. Here see. Then next step is observe all these things. Student, you observe all these things in the tray. After some time, light the spirit lamp and place it below one corner of the tray. Here student, figure a spirit lamp. After some time, light the spirit lamp and place it below one corner of the tray. Observe what happens. You see here on the basis of observation. Then our next step is on the basis of observation, discuss in the class. Put forth your opinion regarding the experiment. Consider the following question for the same. When you complete your experiment, then some question arise due to this experiment. What does you understand initially by observing the sequence? Here student, first question is, what did you understand initially, means starting, by observing the sequence? Then when the temperature of water started increasing, what changes did you see? When the temperature of water started increasing, what changes did you see? Then third question is, observe the movement of the sequence. Observe the movement of the sequence in these two figures, first figure and then second figure. What conclusion can be drawn from the same? Where can such process takes place on the earth's surface? What are those processes and why do they happen? Here students, some question. When you completed your experiment, answer the question of this. Note, in the experiment, the heat is given by the spirit lamp. In this experiment, we use the spirit lamp for the heat. Please keep in mind that in reality, but in real condition, the source of heat for ocean is the sun. The source of heat for oceans is the sun. Then our next point is geographical explanation. It will occur to you that as the water increases, the plastic sequence move from one place to another. Here student, in figure, the plastic sequence move from one place to another. It will occur to you that the temperature of water increases. As the temperature rises, the density of water decreases. As the temperature rises, the density of water decreases and it becomes lighter. And therefore, the water having lower temperature, which is heavier, replaces the water with higher temperatures. After some times, the sequence start moving in the circular motion. Here student, you see the picture. After some times, the sequence start moving in a circular motion. There is movement of this sequence becomes a flow of water. Here student, first diagrams, first figure, then next figure. There is movement of this sequence because of flow of water. When water heated the flow of water, the sequence movement in the tray. Here complete our experiment. Then can you tell? A very strange incident occurred in the Pacific Ocean in the year 1992. A cargo ship sailed towards America from Hong Kong. While traveling through the Pacific Ocean, Near the Hawaii Island, a container full of toys fell into the ocean and broke. Here, student, one incident. Around 28,000 rubber toys started floating on the ocean. This incident occurred on the 10 January 1992. A beautiful incident occurred in the 10 January 1992. A very strange incident occurred in the Pacific Ocean in the year 1992. Cargo ship sailed towards America from Hong Kong. While traveling through the Pacific Ocean near Hawaii Island, a container full of toys, in this contains full of toys, fell into the ocean and broke. Around 28,000 rubber toys. How many thousand? 28,000 rubber toys started floating on the ocean. This incident occurred on 10 January 1992. Now a strange thing happened. After around 10 months, on 16 November 1992, some of these toys reached the coast of Alaska. After 10 months, 16 November 1992, some of these toys reached the coast of Alaska. Some of them crossed the Bering Strait and moved up to Arctic Ocean the year 2000. Some of them also floated to Atlantic Ocean from Arctic. Some of these reached the eastern coast of America in 2003 and some of toys had even reached the European coast by 2007. From Hawaii Island, some toys took the route of Australia. See figure 5.2 and 5.3. Here map showing the distribution of toys in the ocean. In this map, you see the distribution of toys in the ocean. Here complete our point. Geographical explanation.